Alright, so let's create our results pages. So you can go to the funnel steps, and there you can create a new step as part of your funnel. So you can create different, and I'll show you how to create different types of results pages. But basically you can have a thank you page that all people who submit the quiz would receive, or based on the results you can show different pages, different unique pages based on the score that they get in your quiz. So let's say that the most simple one is to just show a thank you page. So here is such design in the page template. So let's call it result 1. So this is our first type of pages, like a thank you page for submitting the quiz. So you can change the text itself, you can add whatever information you want, and of course you can have some kind of call to action. So after they submit the quiz, you can send them somewhere else to take a specific action. So you can fully customize everything. As you know, you can add different blocks or elements into the page itself. Now, what other types of results pages you can have is, for example, a product. So based on the results, based on the answers that they gave, you can show them a product of some sort. And here we have product designs. Again, all these pages are fully customizable, so you can add whatever page you want to be part of the results. So let's say this type of a product page. Let's call it results 2. So here is a product page. So when somebody submits and have a specific score, you can send them to a specific product page. Again, everything you can just customize. Yeah, you can see here you have a scarcity, a discount, etc. So it's very appealing way for somebody to, basically assign them to a specific product, very dedicated for them, and that they can purchase. Again, if you want people to purchase, you have to have a checkout page in this case, because this is a landing page for a product. And then the next step would be the purchase page, the checkout page, which we can look into here now as a direct results page. We have here the checkout designs, different designs for checkout pages, for any sort of idea that you may have. Here is a very simplistic one. Let's call it results 3. So basically, if you have a product page, you can just link to a checkout page like this basically as a third step of your a quiz, a product page and a checkout page, or you can send them directly to the checkout itself. So basically, let's say we've selected this product for you based on your results, blah blah blah, and here is our checkout where you can submit your payment. Now, of course, to be able to sell something, you have to select what kind of a product you have inside. If you don't have yet a product, you can just go and create one in the store area, where basically you can sell any type of a product, a physical, a digital, service, membership, subscription. It is entirely up to you what kind of product you want to sell. And of course, connect the payment processors in the settings to be able to actually start accepting the fees. But we have a dedicated video on accepting payments, so you can check that one as well. And let's go back into our funnel itself. And so this is our checkout page that you can fully, again, customize however you want. And you, of course, have the ability to add upsells and downsells, so you can create a fully custom checkout funnel as well, not just the quiz itself and a simple checkout. And let's look into another one. So let's say after somebody submits and a specific score, you want to show them a course or a video dedicated for what they selected. So you can of course create a whole membership area with tons of videos if you want, which we have a dedicated video on membership funnels and websites. But let's create just a single video type of a page. Well, so let's create a new empty page. Let's call it results 4. And it is a blank one. So here, if you click on another block, you will see all the options for different blocks. And we have this dedicated, really cool, awesome video types of blocks. So let's say that we like this design. You can click on it and it will be added to your page right away. So let's delete this top white block. So we have this video. Again, you can customize the headline and you can add different widgets if you want, and of course edit the source of the video that will display for the people inside this this page. You can have some kind of call to action again for people to get something, purchase something, go somewhere, whatever the idea is after the video is being watched. So that's how simple it is to also create a video type of results page. So as you can see, currently we have created 4 different types of result pages. Again, you can create whatever type of page you want to send people to it after a quiz. So how do you assign a specific page to a different answer that they gave? So, well, it's actually not the answer, but the actual results at the end. So first that we have to do is assign a score to your steps. So let's go here inside this field. You can see you have the options for this question. So it is 4 options, and here we can assign how many points you will want to give away for a specific answer. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 points, but again, you can adjust how many exactly you want to give away. But this will be the differentiator between all the steps, and based on this score we'll show a specific page. So you can have the score however you want, and if you have more steps based on the accumulative amount of points that they get, you can send them to a specific page. So let's go into manage quiz results. It's actually where we'll see the results themselves, and you have 2 options, basically a thank you message or the dedicated page. So here you can create as many as you want rules. In this case we have created from 0 to 1 to show which funnel. Here we can select results 1. Then from 2 to 2 points, basically if you have 2 points, you can show them results 2. So just like that, we can link all our 4 pages that we have created to all the 4 options that we have in our quiz, just for the sake of the example. So this is really cool way. And another also cool way is that you have these tags. So you can assign a tag to each user that is being in this at the end when they submit, that is in this range of points that they have. So let's say on the 4 points user, we can tag them with some tags. So here we have a few created ones, or you can start a new one. Let's go with group 4. And when somebody submits and selects this option, they'll be shown the results 4 page, and they'll be tagged with the group 4 tag. So this is really useful, because you then know about this person, that they have this this tag, that they submitted this this result, this question. So if you're ready, all you can do is just click on save, and let's preview our quiz. So here you have the different options that will give a different weight, a different score. Here we have our information here, so we can add some information, let's say user@domain.com, and when you submit, you'll see we're now sent into the 4th result page, which was the last one, the video results. So here you can see how easy it was to create our fully custom results pages with whatever information we want, and based on the answer, the score, we now send them a specific thing. So this is how simple it was. And now let's look into the contact that we just submitted. And as you can see, there is the name, the email. You can see the tag, it's the group 4. So this is what tag we added automatically with their submission. You can also see the quiz that they have submitted, so all the information. You can clearly see each step, what they selected, the single choice field for, the name, the email, the score that they have submitted. So it is really visual and easy that you can see, and the tag itself. So this is really cool, and this is especially useful for the email marketing and the automations that we'll be looking into the next video, basically how to connect your quiz to the emails so that you can start blasting them different campaigns, different emails, and do different things with those users. So this is how simple it was to create our basically results pages and show a different dedicated content to each group of users in your funnels. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and talk to you in the next one.